Good morning. Just had a shower and we've kind of adopted a little cat, so we bought some cat food. There was a cat here the other day, so I gave him a bit of ham. Really mangy old thing, you know, had a hard life, that's for sure. But we bought some cat food the other day and he's just come back for breakfast. There he is. Yeah.
Story goes that every generation has one, some damn soul cursed to ride the earth.
Look at this Jeep here that's turning right. That is electric. I mean, how gay can you get? That's proper Freddy dog territory there. That is gay. Freddy dog style. Mel's discovered all the Triumph gear.
Small, that's extra large. You have to try it.
It's an open face helmet like yours.
Oh yeah?
Well, we can't go to Triumph in Lisbon without visiting Harley Davidson in Lisbon. Look at this chopper. Ooh, look at that. Not bad, eh? There's a Traveller there. But look at that. That takes some shining up. There's my old beast of burden. And there's a... what's that called? I can't remember. I can't remember what that's called. But anyway, let's have a look inside. Wow, look at that beast. Wow. That's what we want. We want these. Whenever I go somewhere, I like to buy one of these, just to say where I've been. So I've just been besotted by this cherry red. Wow, sort of cherry red flake in the grey. Look at the paint. That's nice. That's a Street Glide. Wow. How much is it? Ooh, 52,000 euros. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
52,000 euros. My goodness. Alright, so I got my cap. And we're now leaving Harley Davidson in Lisbon. Yep, there we go.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Recuperar justificante o factura.
So we just found this big motorcycle outlet. Intermoto. This is nice. Kawasaki 900Z. Or Z900. It's got a big place. Here's a little bike for you, babe. The Dax.
Oh yeah, I can do that. How much is this? But Dax, what is that?
So yeah, maybe you can hear me because it's really windy. We're in a petrol station, or a gas station. We left Lisbon and then head our way back to Bilbao, but that is the plan. But we are putting some very expensive diesel, Portuguese diesel, in the van, and it is expensive, more expensive than Spain, more expensive than the UK. I mean, can you imagine that? Anyway, to 2.30 euros per litre. It's pretty expensive. Ran out of time and light and everything, and then we just found like a shitty service station and parked up, seemed quiet enough, and then all of a sudden the trucks start coming in, all the bloody idiots drinking next to us, and so half 11, almost 12 o'clock, we had to abandon ship, jumped on park for a night, and looked for a near little parking spot, and struck absolute gold, because look at this, it's just coming up to 9 o'clock in the morning, just woken up now, the van's over there, and look around. And we're just having breakfast here. Yeah, look around. Someone else over there having a big old fire, just making some scrambled eggs, a little bit of milk. Yep, so from the madness of last night, fleeing or van parking spot, yeah, we end up in this absolute dream. Absolute dream. Just had a delicious breakfast. Look at all our kit. Mel's going to get the kettle for the jackery. And yeah, just can't ask for anything better.